Greetings, dear learners. I welcome you all to the SRN Knowledge Center. I am Faculty of Sociology at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. And today in this video, we are going to discuss about the topic Social Institutions from Grade 12 Book of Sociology based on NCERT syllabus. Now, the topics to be covered in this video are definition of social institutions, caste in the past, features of caste system, colonialism and caste, caste after independence, and the dominant caste. Social institutions. Now, what do you mean by social institutions? A social institution consists of a group of people who have come together for a common purpose. These institutions are a part of the social order of society. They govern the behavior and expectations of individuals. Three institutions central to Indian society are caste, tribe, and family. Now, origin of caste. Caste is the name of an ancient social institution that has been part of Indian history and culture for thousands of years. The English word caste is actually a borrowing from the Portuguese word casta, which means pure breed. The word refers to a broad institutional arrangement that in Indian language is referred to by two distinct terms. They are Varna and Jati. Varna, literally color, is the name given to a fourfold division of society into Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudras. Jati is the word most commonly used to refer to the institution of caste in Indian languages. Now, the features of caste. Caste is determined by birth. A child is born into the caste of its parents. Caste is never a matter of choice. Membership in a caste involves strict rules about marriage. Caste groups are endogamous. Caste membership also involves rules about food and food sharing. Caste involves a system consisting of many castes arranged in a hierarchy of rank and status. Every person has a caste, and every caste has a specified place in the hierarchy of all castes. Caste also involves subdivisions within themselves, that is, caste almost always have subcaste, and sometimes these subcaste may also have sub-subcaste. Castes were traditionally linked to occupations. A person born into a caste could only practice the occupation associated with that caste, so that occupations were hereditary, that is, passed on from generation to generation. Concept of purity and pollution. This is a division between something believed to be closer to the sacred, this connoting ritual purity, and something believed to be distant from or opposed to the sacred, therefore considered ritually polluting. Castes that are considered ritually pure have high status, while those considered less pure or impure have low status. As in all societies, material power, that is, economic or military power, is closely associated with social status, so that those in power tend to be of high status and vice versa. Historians believe that those who were defeated in wars were often assigned low caste status. Colonialism and caste. The present form of caste as a social institution has been shaped very strongly by the colonial period. The British administrators began by trying to understand the complexities of caste in an effort to learn how to govern the country efficiently. conducted very methodical and intensive surveys and reports on the customs and manners of various tribes and castes all over the country. The interventions, direct attempt to count caste and to officially record caste status changed the institution itself. The land revenue settlements and related arrangements and laws served to give legal recognition to the customary caste-based rights of the upper caste. These castes now became landowners in the modern sense rather than feudal classes with claims on the produce of the land or claims to revenue or tribute of various kinds. Large-scale irrigation schemes were accompanied by efforts to settle population. The administration also took an interest in the welfare of the downtrodden caste, referred to as the depressed classes at that time. The Government of India Act of 1935 was passed, which gave legal recognition to the list or schedules of caste and tribes. Caste after independence. The state was committed to the abolition of caste and explicitly wrote this into the constitution. Appointment to government jobs took no account of caste. The well-educated upper caste and the ill-educated or often illiterate lower caste had to compete on equal terms. The only exception to this was in the form of reservations for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Modern industry created all kinds of new jobs for which there were no caste. Urbanization and the conditions of collective living in the cities made it difficult for the caste segregated patterns of social interaction to survive. Dominant caste is a term used to refer to those castes which had a large population and were granted land rights by the partial land reforms affected after independence. Once they got land rights, they acquired considerable economic power. Their large numbers also gave them political power in the era of electoral democracy based on universal adult franchise. Thus, these intermediate castes became the dominant caste in the countryside and played a decisive role in the regional politics and the agrarian economy. So I hope, children, you must have understood the topic well, and thank you, and don't forget to share and subscribe it. Thank you.